Okay, let us start, no? Good morning to all of you. Okay, gusto ko lang i-summarize yung na-mention natin nung first meeting. The contribution of logistics, yung scope, di ba? The scope and definition of logistics. Okay, these are the activities in managing the inbound and outbound from the point of destination, from the point of origin to the point of destination. Na-discuss natin yan, no? And we have discussed gaano ka-importante ang logistics sa organization. Ano ang mga activities sa logistics? Sabi nga natin, ang pinaka-main objective natin is to reduce cost or optimize cost kasi masyadong malaki ang gastos sa logistics. May mga kumpanya gumagastos sa logistics ng $20 million per month. So, kung $20 million per month sa loob ng isang taon, that is $240 million per year. 'Di ba? Malaking pera yan. Kahit convert mo sa peso, 'di ba? 240 million pesos ibabayad mo lang sa logistics. Kaya mo na sigurong makabili diyan ng 100 na coaching magaganda, 'di ba? 240 million pesos. Ano ang mga pinagmumulan ng cost ng logistics? Most of the companies are focused in reducing costs in logistics because logistic costs is amounting to 10 to 20% of the gross sales. Pag bumenta ka ng items, 100 million. Diyan sa benta mo, 100 million, 20 million dyan ang mapupunta sa logistics, di ba? 20 million pesos, babayad ko lang sa tracking, babayad ko lang sa delivery, di ba? Sayang. But we could no longer remove logistics in our operation. But our operation, our goal in the operation is to reduce or optimize costs. Yun ang objective natin. Now, sabi natin, we're going to discuss on strategies. Module 2 is about integrated logistics and supply chain. Yan ang module 2, di ba? Integrated logistics and supply chain. But I had mentioned before that supply chain is not logistics, but rather, logistics is one of the components in supply chain. And logistics has, again, many subcomponents. Ano-ano ang mga components ng logistics para matawag tayong logistics? Ito yung mga pinagkakagastosan natin sa logistics. 49% transportation cost. 23% is warehousing cost. 22% is inventory cost. 7% is customer service. And 6% we're spending on supervision or administration of the logistics operation. Ano ang pinaka-concept or ano ang pinaka-strategy sa total logistics concept? Module 2 is integrated logistics and supply chain. We know that integration is pagsama-samahin as one. Now, I want you to remember this acronym kasi ibibigay ko to palagi sa recitation tsaka sa exam. TLC is Total Logistic Concept. Nasa Module 2 yan. Total Logistic Concept, the aim of Total Logistic Concept is to treat all departments under logistics as one. We have to integrate all activities in logistics as one. Ano-ano yung pagsasama-samahin natin when it comes to decision making? Transportation, warehousing cost, inventory management, customer service, administration, and of course, order fulfillment. Yan ang mga activities na dapat na monitor natin. And we are integrating them as one system. Okay? We are integrating them as one system. Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa decision, hawak yan ng logistics manager. 'Di ba? Minsan, meron tayong mga logistics manager, meron tayong inventory control manager, meron tayong warehouse manager. In logistics, we are considering them as one. We are integrating them as one. The total logistic concept or the so-called TLC. Yan ang mga tatandaan nyo, yung mga acronym natin. TLC, Total Logistics Concept. 3PL, Third Party Logistics. You have to explain that. Exam tsaka recitation, ibibigay yan. Now, dito sa Module 2, we are integrating all activities in logistics. Ano ang mga activities sa logistics? Transportation, warehousing, inventory management, order fulfillment, supervision, and customer service. Sa ibang kumpanya, may logistics manager, mayroon ding warehouse manager. Minsan, kino-consolidate namin yan as one. Ang hahawak ng warehouse department, logistics manager. There are times that we have to streamline in order to reduce costs and to improve customer service. Our objective is not only to reduce costs. We have the objective to improve the customer service and to deliver our products at least cost and on time. On time ang delivery at mura ang cost sa delivery or shipping system. So we have to streamline the operation and we have to integrate these activities in order to optimize cost. Cost optimization is, ano ba ibig sabihin ng reducing cost? Ano ba ang ibig sabihin ng cost optimization? Cost optimization is minimizing the overall cost of logistics by considering all related expenses. Ano ba ang mga related expenses? Yun nga, customer satisfaction should be served, should be given to our dealers and customers. And to reduce costs, also in manpower, making our people more productive. Okay? Di ba? Ano ibig natin sabihin? Kailangan productive ang tao sa operation. Kailangan well-planned ang operation. We have the daily plan for operation that each employees, but that each staff in the operation should be monitored and should be productive. And of course, contributor to profit growth. Sa manpower tayo nagpo-focus tsaka sa planning system. Sa Amerika, pag sinabing cost optimization, they resort to automation and robot machine and mechanization. Sa Amerika, pag pinag-uusapan ng cost optimization, number one rule or number one advice is to resort to automation. Sa atin, hindi pa natin gaanong ina-advise yung automation kasi pag ginamit mo ang automation sa Pilipinas, wala pa tayo sa sistema kamukha ng Amazon. Ang Amazon, puro robot machine ang nagwo-work. 95% robot machine, 5% na lang ang tao. Supposed to be, malaki ang warehouse ng Amazon sa Amerika. If they are going to maintain 3,000 to 5,000 employees in their logistics operation, malaki ang gastos. Actually, sa Amerika, employees are paid by per hour, di ba? Per hour ang sweldo ng empleyado, depende pa sa state. Let's say, $20 per hour. If an employee is working 10 hours per day, ibig sabihin, sumusweldo siya ng $200 per day. $200 per day times mo na lang sa 20 days. So, an employee is earning $4,000 per day. Ang empleyado mo, 3,000. $4,000 times 3,000. Diba? Ang laking pera niya, no? Sa atin, milyon yan. Now, the only way they know, the only way they know is to resort to robots and automation. Kanya ang Amazon, there are thousands of robots moving inside the operation. Try to imagine, makikita nyo yan sa YouTube. Makita nyo, ang daming robot machine gumagalaw dun sa loob ng warehouse. Ang stock picker, robot machine. Let's say, somebody is